Hey guys, Food Boar here. My cousin wanted me to make this video so we could see this, what my sister got for Christmas, and it can fly, actually. Okay, well, we'll start out just to surprise you guys. Here is the controller. Yeah, if that gives you any idea. It says Animal Planet on it. Okay, and then here's the beauty. A big shark. Got the shark claws, got the wings, and the motor is right there. And okay, let's turn it on. On switch. Okay, it's on, and here we go. So yeah, me and my buddy Jaws, that's the video. So rate, like, and subscribe. See ya.